So now we have our two hammers. So we have our body hammer and we have our finessing hammer. Okay, so quite a difference in weight. Everything again is interchangeable. Right, so we can take these off, we can put another tip on there should we wish. The reason these tips will push together is to enable us to work hammer on top of hammer. So if you've got a line or draw a crown you're trying to tap down, obviously to try and tap down single-handedly takes a bit of practice, whereas we can lay one hammer down, strike the top with the other hammer. These tips, they do have protected faces. We can remove these protected faces off. As you can see here, it has a highly polished, slightly convex tip. It's a double convex, so it's going to get that sweet spot right in the middle. So it can be used for slapping, for knocking down crowns, or you say you can pop your rubber cap on, you can just take a little bit more of that crown down with you. Likewise, there's a rubber cap on this one. This one isn't polished. It's just it's more of a case of if you like that metal to metal finish. This puck over here, a lot of people are saying, well, what's this for? Knocking down is very difficult to start out with. So obviously if you're knocking down with a small surface like this, we're trying to make these two surfaces together, it's going to be quite difficult. So being able to spin round, now you can remove both of these tips, and now we can use that more of a puck handle. So this tip here, it does have a lock nut on here. So what we can do, we can look to lock the tip in the direction that we're trying to tap down. So for argument's sake, if I want to go at a diagonal, I can actually lock the tip diagonally to enable me to get in. So if I'm working round, we use the smaller KB and Junior starters. If I've got this set up, sit in my tab and I've got my crown round here, obviously getting this hammer in to be effective is going to be very, very difficult. So what we've done here with this modular knockdown, you may have some of these might be in blue in aluminium, and this one is a steel version. But what we can do, these all break down into single sections. Okay, so what we can actually do is remove our tip here, screw our modular knockdown in, the tip on the end. Okay, now when we come in, we can actually work around this way for you so you can see. So I can actually lay that in nice and close to, and I can tap cleanly without anything being in the way, with no obstruction. Okay, so I can get a good strike on the top there.